Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add indicators on Thinkorswim Mobile. First, launch the Thinkorswim Mobile application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the Charts tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This action will display your current chart view. Next, choose the particular stock or financial instrument for which you want to apply technical indicators. Now that you have your chart open, tap anywhere on the chart itself to bring up the Chart Settings menu. You'll typically see a small icon, often a beaker or a gear, representing studies or indicators. Tap this icon to proceed. This action will open a new screen, presenting you with various options related to technical analysis and studies available within the platform. On the Studies screen, you will find a comprehensive list of available technical indicators. Scroll through this list to find the specific indicator you wish to add, such as moving average or RSI. Tap on your chosen indicator to select it. Many indicators offer customization options. For example, you can change the period of a moving average from 9 to 21, or adjust its color for better visibility. Once you have selected and customized all your desired indicators, review your choices. When you are satisfied, tap the Done or Apply button, usually located at the top right or bottom of the screen. This will apply the indicators directly to your chart. For convenience, you can also save your customized chart layout, allowing you to quickly load this specific set of indicators on other charts with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.